M115VL accent scarf. Your monogram will go here. Use one piece of tearaway and one piece of solvay. Slide the left side corner of the scarf to the edge of the frame using a 4.5 by 4.5 slimline clamp frame. Use our custom centering jig to find the center. Trace sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Lay one sheet of solvay on top and now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. One of my favorite embroidery tool is the lightweight thread clippers by Ginger. They have sharp points for a close snip, stainless steel blades, and are easy for lefties to use. It includes a safety cap with a loop to attach to a lanyard. When the sewing is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Now you have a finished product. Click the link in the description below to view the items used in this video.